Erokamano nya Kristo wino kopogore gi mano en jagoro mongirore e migao mar weche ma oko mano laktar Korir Sing'wei notelne kweth mag 10 migao e tero buge mag kuyo mambetre mapinje mopogore ne ondikie ote mag kuyo kaluwore kod tho mar migosi Raila Amolo Odinga higa mokalo. Nyasi mane obage par migosi Raila Odinga makaren migao no olero ni gibiro chako loso chenro mar rapar Raila Odinga higa ka higa. Toka jafomaro Koenga lero okang' makamano bende opuo mokalo kod anyuola mar Raila kotelie gi min ode Ida Odinga.
Itgi kuyo ne anyuola mare. Kwethni notele gi jagoro mongirore migao mar pinje ma oko laktar Korir Sing'wei nolero ni kaluwore kod huma mar mosenindo Raila Odinga oganda buora ma oko e pinje ma oko go ne ochopo Jombetre mar Kenya e pinje go mar chiwo mos margi.
Mzez and Baba's life, lived his life and service, often at great personal cost. Time and again, at moments when our nation stood at difficult crossroads, he chose dialogue over division, unity over discord, and the long-term good of the country over personal ambition. Those choices shaped Kenya's democratic journey and him deep respect both at home and abroad. Through his leadership, Kenya reaffirmed its place as a credible, principled, and dependable partner in regional peace.
Ewi mano ne gichopo e paro Odinga mar redho bugego ne anyuola mare mabende norwako nyasi makamano.
These messages came in such huge numbers. And they have been carefully bound together, not merely as documents, but as expressions of respect, affection, and shared loss. As one reads through these pages, what becomes immediately clear is that Raila Odinga was not mourned only as a Kenyan leader, but as a global statesman. From Africa and beyond, from governments, institutions, and individuals.
Some came personally, some sent messages, and for them I'm most grateful. Then the foreign affairs, Kenyans and other people from outside Kenya, these are the people whose greetings you have brought today, your condolences you brought today. We are most grateful.
Ne nyasi mano yuorie nyaka gi Jombetre ma oke pinje mamoko e thuruka kendo ne gi paro mosenindo Odinga kaka jalno mane ochung'ne adieri gi ratiro mar oganda.
But a towering African statesman whose commitment to democratic governance, social justice, and continental integration inspired generations beyond your borders. His voice gave courage to the voiceless across Africa.
I was in New York when he passed. I woke up at 3 in the morning, and then I had to call the secretary and tell him, we have a problem in Kenya. So I know that in the document we are presenting, he sent a letter, and I can assure you, every time he comes to Kenya, passes through, I receive him at the airport. And he always asks about your husband. How is he doing? Or the Kenya? He likes to know what is happening.
Ebo migao mar piny ma oko no ema mikae Ida Odinga biro tiyoe kaka Jombetre tok puodho kod od bura ma erito jatend piny William Ruto wale mondo bi obed Jombetre mar riwruok ma UNEP. Welo mane min piny Ida Odinga orwako mokalo.
This role is meant for you. I want to say actually meant and made for you. And we look forward to the work of your hands there.
So we look forward for you joining us, working with us, and fighting the fights for the United Nations in Africa and for the UN.
My a unique appointment. I'm not career diplomat, but anwange because depend egimanene government mar Kenya oneno kuma. Bugiketa abro tiye gi chunya duto gi tekona duto gi riekona duto kendo abro time kaka Kenya dwar mondo atime kaka onego atime. Ago erokamano once again to the president for giving me the opportunity to serve Kenya in that capacity.
Koenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Jakom mar duond bura mar ODM mano Gladys Wanga osingona joera mag duond bura no ni weche